different option in admin categories. First of all, click on admin menu. After that, click on admin categories. There are different types of categories are available, like baseline types, expenses categories, project phase, document categories, document status, overhead codes, risk types, notebook topics, and unit of measure. There are 4 tabs available: add, delete, shift up, and shift down. Add is to add any item in any category. Delete is to delete any item from any category. Shift up to shift any item in a category. Shift down to shift down any item in a category. Number 1 is baseline types. Baseline types, by default it is available: customer sign off, prior month update, initial plan, what if project plan, mid project status, management sign off. I want to add a new item in this category. Just double click on new base type, name it as baseline 1. Press enter. You can delete any item in a category by selecting that item and then press delete button. Then click on expense categories. By default there are number of items available, that is administration, consulting, new expense category, facilities, equipment, non-labor resources, hardware, and so and so. Now press add button. Delete extra categories. Double click on new expense categories and type reward. Press enter. Now this reward is available in expense category. Now click on project phase. There are different options available by default in project phase: close out, commissioning, delivery, design and engineering, installation and testing, implementation, deployment, manufacturing, production. Now document category. In document category there are number of items available: bid document, change orders, contract, cost benefit analysis, detailed design specification, drawings, journal documents, high level design specification, insurance form, job photo, letter, project. Document status. There are, by default it is called as document status codes: approved, completed, in progress, not started, on hold, rejected, under review. Now overhead codes. By default there are overhead code with overhead descriptions available: COH, corporate overhead, G&A, general and accounting, and so on. Risk types. In risk types, there are a number of risk types available. Now we have notebook topics. By default, there are number of notebook topics that are explanation, change order, anticipated problems, corrective action, customer problem, description, estimation, and so on. There are 4 options available: EPS, PROJ, WBS, ACT. EPS stands for Enterprise Project Structure, PROJ for Project, WBS is for Work Breakdown Structure, ACT for Activity. By checking all these boxes, explanation is available for EPS as well as for project, as well as for WBS, and as well as for activity. On other hand, customer problem is only available for an activity. Close it down for a moment and let's check how it works. Select any activity like foundation phase complete. Now click on notebook. By default, notebook is selected. Click on add button. Now from here, I'm selecting anticipated problem. Anticipated problem is selected. Now type what is the anticipated problem. You can type any suitable words. You can type as per your requirement. Click over here to close this assigned notebook topic. Once again, click on admin and then admin categories, and last one, which is most important, unit of measure. Unit of measure is for material, that how you want to measure your material. Normally labor is measured in terms of times. Non-labor like equipment is measured in terms of time, but material is measured in terms of unit. So you can specify any unit. You can specify any unit as per your requirement. By default, here is available CUYD, that is cubic yard, LS lump sum, EA each, HR for R, LT linear foot for unit of measure. You can add or delete any available option. So this is all about admin categories, how to add or delete any item in different categories available. Thank you very much once again. Stay tuned for next series of tutorials.